account of your fossil fuel production in the Niger Delta in Nigeria, the life expectancy there is currently only between 41 and 46 years of age. That's younger than most of the people in this room today. How can you be comfortable profiting from limiting the lives of millions of people? The money that lines your pockets and allows you to comfortably grow old prevents that same dignity for people in the Niger Delta. In the 70 years where you made stupendous profits for your shareholders, you transformed the Niger Delta into the most polluted place on earth, and its people among the poorest and most poisoned. In that period, your company has been complicit in flaring gas non-stop at 178 flare points all over the Niger Delta, emitting millions of tons of CO2 yearly and poisoning over 40 million people with cancer and other respiratory illnesses. Several reputable studies have established that methane, carbon dioxide, and other chemicals from flared gas poison people with cancer, respiratory illnesses, birth defects, and diseases of the skin. When it rains, the poisonous chemicals in the atmosphere return to further pollute the soil and rivers, reducing farm fertility and killing fishes. Several scientific reports, including those from the United Nations Environment Programme, have been published, all of them indicting you for massive pollution and poisoning. They have confirmed that your activities have led directly to major health risks and livelihood losses. This is not speculation, these are facts.
This is a litmus test to know whether they can crack both Alex Otti, Labour Party, and the progress of Abia State after 365 days. Yes, now, even though I don't want you to point an accusing finger to the Nigerian government, yes, we must always take responsibility of our irresponsible actions. That is the truth. People are saying, and the Nigerian government set them up, all those things. That's an excuse. In every situation, na rat wey dey inside house, they tell right way outside. Alex Otti, being a wise governor, has nearly escaped it by saying he's not ready to confront them. Look at it in the 21st century. You want to prevent children from writing an exam, which is not set by the state. It is set by the whole West Africa. But for your own selfish interest, for your own agitation, you want to truncate the future of the children not to write an exam. If Abia people are gonna enjoy democracy, see, you don't need to wait till Biafra come before you start enjoying good governance, development. Because this issue will make some investors to withdraw. So it is high for you, if you truly want to enjoy good governance, you want to enjoy good life, now, even if you are waiting for Biafra to come, it's high time you will collaborate with the governor to solve this security issue quickly, so that he can reassure the investors, because this thing can be able to make the man to lose his focus in what he's doing for the Aba and Abia as a whole. Anyway, back to the main message today. See this video that you people watch. I've said it time without no time that the Niger Deltas, including the Igbos who find themselves in the Niger Delta, my people in one, Eka, Egbanke, Ndokwa, Ikwere, Ogba, and co. We are the problem of ourselves. We don't even know what to agitate and fight for. You will see elders holding meeting and conference just to say they are not Igbo. Meanwhile, there are people in the same Niger Delta communities are dying for flames, carbon monoxide coming out from the industry in their location. Imagine say now this kind of thing this girl did that Reno Mokere is fighting for. Imagine that Reno Mokere for the last 365 days that he has been tackling P2B and Igbo as a whole, that this is what he's fighting for his people. Even the Ijaw community has had Jonathan as president. How many Ijaw people have solved this problem? Like I said, the girl took it to the Shell meeting. Meanwhile, the Nigerian government that we were supposed to take it to, nobody is taking it there. All the Ijaw youths, including my people in Delta, some Urobo, they all create Facebook accounts just to tackle the Igbos. I told you in one of my videos how I wish I'm an Ijaw person. The fight I will be fighting is not what concern me with people they drag land. See, I'm now, Igbos are not the ones destroying your place. What you own, you cannot control it, you cannot rip out of it. Somebody is even ripping it in your frontage and damaging the whole system that you have. Your ecosystem is damaged. No good water. People are dying regularly because there is no life jacket when they are using boats to go from one creek village to another. When the storm comes, it kills them. Nobody is talking about them because none of you are putting interest. Just Igbos. Now we get this land. These are what people are fighting online for. Is it a crime that one of you are vocal, speaking with your social media influence on this matter? No, none. All the Facebook of Ijaw community created is just to claim Igbo lands. Instead of you to be fighting the main thing, I've said to you people that the land you are fighting for is crumbs to compare with the oil you have in your place. Land in the 21st century does not make anybody rich. What makes people rich is the mineral resources you have in your small land. It's not the land mass. It's not the land mass. I'm out of here, Joe.